Hello and welcome back everyone. Today in this video I'm going to tell you about the basic settings of an Instagram account so that your content can go viral. Let's start it. First of all, your profile must be looking good. Let me show you about the basic things. You should optimize your profile. The profile picture must be according to your business. Okay, so you need to upload a basic business profile picture that you use. Maybe it can be your logo, it can be your own unique design. Okay, and other than that, the username should be according to your business. Like if your business is about making birthday cake, or your business is about email marketing, so your username must suggest the audience that the content is going about to which topic. So selecting a selective username is very important. After that, you need to upload your proper biodata. Here as you can see that I have added nothing. In order, if you want to add your something in bio, you can use this edit profile option to add some lines into your bio. Okay, I have already written only public account, but it's not enough. Okay, you have to write each and everything, like what are you offering, what are your services, at what time you are available, or you can also write a little bit about your previous experience in the bio section. Okay, the other option that is very important, if you want to get more reach to your audience, you need to change your personal account to your business account or a creator account. In order to change your personal account to a business account, you can just simply go to this more button, three lines, and then you have to go to the setting sections. Okay, after that, when you scroll on the left side, you will see this creator tools and account. Here you can switch to business account. The account that already I have is a creator account. So when I will click on the switch to business account, the account will be switched to the business account. Okay, so let me show you. As you can see that the option is now changed to switch to creator account, and this option for professional dashboard, we have got the option of business tools and creator. The other option, the other best setting that you must follow while creating a post on the Instagram, you must use proper hashtags according to your niche category. Okay, if the other option that is very useful features of the Instagrams, like posting reels, you should post reels, and the video length should be around 15 to 30 seconds, because 15 to 30-second videos are performing much better than the long videos on the Instagram. In order to upload any reel or make a post, you just need to click on the create button, and here you can upload your post. If you want to upload a photo or a video, you can just drag and drop your videos and post here. Okay, and the other best option is to use the stories section of your Instagram. Stories gives you engagement with directly with your audience. Okay, and the other option that is very useful is to post your videos, reels, or your stories at the right times with consistency. You have to see the analytics of your post of your Instagram account, like when your audience is watching your videos and what kind of videos they are interested in. So that's why you have to upload such kind of videos, and you must engage with your audience in the comment section. Okay, so the next option is about the next feature which will help you a lot in promoting or going viral over the Instagram is collaboration. You must collaborate with your uh, competitors. Okay, or you can also collaborate with the users which are making content same something like you. Okay, these were some basic and important settings that you must follow in order to go viral over the Instagram. I hope you like the video. Thanks.